How to log into cPanel account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, connect to your internet, then open up your web browser on your device. Now simply tap on New tab and tap on the search bar. Now type cPanel. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on cPanel. Now wait for the website to load. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on account login. Now wait for the screen to load. Now on this login page, simply tap on enter your email, then enter your email address. Now when you are done, simply tap on next. Now click on enter your password. Now enter your password and click on login. If you forgot your password, tap on forgot your password to reset your password. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.